Introducing Zuper Apps, a one-stop shop for customers to find apps that elevate their field service experience. Integrate Zuper and Freshdesk to deliver the best customer experience for your field service business. Meet Lisa Martinez, owner of Converge Miami Parking Lot, who is on a mission to make parking easy for her customers. She realized that placing signs near the exits and kiosks would significantly benefit her customers. So, she reached out to US Parking, a leading provider of parking management solutions. Michael Brown, the customer support agent at US Parking, quickly understood her needs and created a new ticket on the Freshdesk app, capturing all the details. He realized this request required a field visit and quickly converted the service request into a work order using the Zuper widget within the ticket screen. The essential fields were already filled in, and he chose the job category and clicked the Choose Slot button to assign a technician. With Zuper's assisted scheduling feature, he could filter technicians by location and selected Sadie Seller as the best fit for the job. He's entering the service location and geo-coordinates, along with the necessary assets for the job. This will ensure that Sadie has all job specifics even before arriving at the job site. Michael has now created the job, and it is accessible anytime on the Zuper app. Meet John Davis, the field service supervisor at US Parking, who is now verifying the job details on the Zuper web app. He trusts in Sadie's abilities and can intervene or visit the site if necessary. Meet our field technician, Sadie, at US Parking, who just clocked in for the day using the Zuper mobile app. After acknowledging the new job request, she read through the customer requirements and is ready to install some signs for Lisa. Sadie quickly checks the status of the assets that will be used at the job site. Zuper maintains the asset information and keeps track of the quantity for efficient inventory control. She confirmed that the assets were ready to use and picked them up on her way to the job site. She updated her status to "on the way" on her mobile phone to inform everyone that she was commuting to the job site. She also had the option to choose navigation. Wow, she was only 6 minutes away from the job site. Let's take a look at Michael. He can now track Sadie's live location and the estimated time of arrival by using the enabled track button on his Freshdesk ticket screen. Isn't that amazing? Within 6 minutes, Sadie arrived at the location to meet Lisa, who was impressed with the prompt service from US Parking. She then explained to Sadie the exact places where she wanted the signs installed and provided all the necessary details to complete the installation. Sadie updated her status to "started" so Michael wouldn't worry. In this way, Sadie can continue to update the status of her work on her mobile app, which will be automatically updated in both Zuper and Freshdesk. John, the field service supervisor, reviewed Sadie's work details. She completed the job in 12 hours, took pictures, and received positive feedback from Lisa. Let's return to the ticket screen. After examining the images and feedback, Michael confirms that the job has been completed. He praises Sadie for her work and then closes the ticket. It is easy to monitor the progress of this ticket by checking the Activities tab, which records all the actions taken from the beginning. Zuper's Freshdesk integration enables two-way communication between entities and provides live updates from the field to the back office, keeping everyone in the loop. Don't wait any longer. Explore more apps on the Zuper App Store today.